Hello beautiful people, my name is Favor Chinenye and you are welcome to DIY with Favor. In today's video we're making some healthy Zobo drink with no artificial sweetener. Stay tuned. Welcome back. So to start with, we need our Zobo leaf. This is our Zobo leaf that we'll be using for the Zobo. We need some oranges, we need a pineapple, we need ginger, cloves. This is clove. It's also known as Zobo pepper. Those people that sells will just tell the Zobo pepper and they know it. Then we also need our cinnamon stick. This one I'll be using half of it just for that natural flavor. It also has so many health benefits. You can Google it online. So I'll go ahead now to pour in some water to our Zobo leaf and rinse against dust and dirt. The measurement of our Zobo leaf is 1 derica. I cover the pot and set aside. Wash and rinse our pineapple very well because we'll be using both the bag to cook our Zobo. I want to say a very big thank you to our returning subscribers. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to this channel and you like what you see, then what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and subscribe, okay? Support your girl, alright? Thank you. So after peeling the pineapple, I'll go ahead and pour the bag into our Zobo in the pot. Then wash, peel the ginger, cut into tiny bits, and transfer to the pot with the cinnamon stick and the clove. Add enough water to cook our Zobo. Then cover our pot and place it on the fire on a medium heat. So while the Zobo is cooking, I'll go ahead now to cut our pineapple into smaller sizes. Same with the orange, and then remove the seed from the orange. Please ensure to use a very sweet and ripe pineapple. Same with the orange, because this is like the sweetener for our Zobo. So we need it to be a very ripe and sweet one. So this is our orange and this are the seed I removed from the orange. I'm going to blend them now. This is our pineapple and orange puree. I'm going to pour it into our Zobo that will be cooking for 30 minutes now. Then stir it or turn down the heat and cover the pot with aluminum foil to cool down completely. You can choose to put the puree when your Zobo is cold. This is our Zobo is cold now. I'm going to separate the chaff from our Zobo drink. Repeat this process until you are done. Remember to wash your hands. When I'm done doing this, I'll now pour them into plastic bottles, glass jar, cover it very tight, and then put in the fridge to chill. So this is our chilled Zobo drink. Enjoy with ice cubes, snacks. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. For now, stay safe till I come your way next time.